Hey Pristine, I'm just going to go through how to answer that question that was stumping me yesterday. So finding the equation of the normal of 5 over the square root of x, subtract the square root of x. So the first step with this is that we're going to find the derivative. So the derivative of this is equal to x plus 5 over 2x to the 3 over 2, okay? So we have our derivative now, and now, because at the beginning they gave us the coordinates as 1 and 4, which is the origin of contact for this particular function, and so we're going to plug that in now. We're going to take that x value, because this is where, this is the function for where x is equal to 1, and so we're going to plug in 1 for x over 2 times 1 to the 3 over 2. And so we end up getting 6 over, this is 1, so 2 times 1 gives us 2. So we end up with a negative 3, okay? And so now we know that the normal of a gradient is a negative 1 over this answer. So our normal gradient, is equal to, and since this is a negative, when we put it over a negative 1, it's going to be a positive 1/3. Okay, so now we know that if we were to write that out as the equation of a line, 1/3 x plus c is how that would look, okay? But now we need to go back and take this or these 2 points and plug it into here to find c, solve c. So y is equal to 4 equals 1/3 times 1 plus c. So then we get 11 over 3 is 4, take away 1/3 gives us 11 over 3. And so that equals c, okay? So now we know that the line is y is equal to 1/3 x plus 11 over 3. And once we get to this point, we don't want any fractions in our equation of a line. And so we're going to multiply everything by 3 to make it just a regular equation with no fractions. And so we get 3y equals x plus 11, and that was the answer that was in the back of the book. And so that's how you do that, okay? So hopefully that helps. I'll also send you a picture of what I just talked about, and that should make it a bit easier to understand what it is.